Hello, community. How are you doing? My name is Erik Peter Carlson. I am a member of the community, but usually I'm in the shadows, like Batman. I don't really go out there and post too much, but I love looking at everybody's collections. Truly incredible. I am honored, to be honest. I'm just honored that Chris wanted me to do a little video here on my brand new Lynda Carter Wonder Woman Prime 1. I just got it in. I collect a lot of different things. I collect figures, I collect statues, I collect original movie memorabilia. Lynda Carter's Wonder Woman. That show, I mean this, like it is the earliest memories I have of watching television. It was early 80s, mid 80s. Obviously, we were watching the reruns. We watched that show so many times. I mean, I watched every single episode three, four, five times over, all the seasons. That character, that is my Wonder Woman. You know, I love Gal Gadot. I have a statue coming soon of hers, a quarter scale. Luckily, like I live in Los Angeles, so I live right next to the studios, so I can kind of go to the studios and look at the costumes. To have something at home, like literally here, that represents that character it's beautiful. So let's take a look at this wonderful Prime 1. So this is my first 1/3 statue. The base is pretty great, pretty big, but not too big. It's like a museum pose, so you know it's not going to take up too much real estate. It is like a plastic material, but heavy. It doesn't feel hollow. The nameplate is plastic, of course, and then on top definitely has some lightweight elements like this Wonder Woman logo. One thing I love, which you just don't get that much of in quarter scale, are these small details like the zipper and the boot, and even this distressed look on the boot. Just she's been hard at work fighting crime. Also, her leg paint is different than her chest paint, which is great because that resembles the stockings. Her corset is absolutely beautiful. It really does give the look of real fabric with the shadowing. These are wonderful details. The stars are a little bit, they have a little bit of texture to them. They go all the way around to her backside. Her lasso is one piece. I wish that was not so. As you can see, the gold really pops on the statue, really pops. Her cape is beautiful. Now, I didn't iron this out yet. She's fresh from the box, but it comes with these embroidered stars, and you tie it in the front, which goes around her neck under her hair, which is pretty cool because basically the hair almost holds it in place, like under her hair here. It kind of like you tuck it up and it holds it. Speaking of her hair looks incredible. I'm a nitpicker when it comes to molded hair, but this hair looks incredible. It looks lifelike, it looks real. Now the portrait is absolutely gorgeous. Her lips are glossy, her teeth are beautiful. I just love everything about the portrait. Absolutely everything. There is no other portrait, it's just this right here. I hope you enjoyed this little look at Lynda Carter Wonder Woman. Happy collecting.